So if you turn right here, this is Route 2. And if you turn right here, you'll go to Wheeling. And if you turn left here, you'll go right up to Wellsburg. At the moment. And I'm having a really good time. Yeah, this is way better than Type 2 fun. Okay. That just means we're going to go across this bridge a total of 4 times. A little hole right here to hit. Here we go. All right. No. Oh well, it won't hurt my feelings to ride across this bridge twice. All right. Looky there. Hey, hey. Oh, that's a lady. She got a beautiful bike. Let's go get my little puppy dogs that I love so much. Oh my gosh, I love those dogs. The big one, Lipo, the bigger one, he has poodle hair and it's so soft and pretty. And I'm gonna ride one-handed back across that bridge. So we made right here. I'm going to take this camera off. My friend Bane, he came across this bridge, but he didn't film it as far as I know. 12 bridges, I think, or 14 bridges. Got a lot of views on that. We were up there together. And he's made an awesome 3-hour video about rap. How many times I'm going to put in the video, but you know, no longer than this video is going to be. I don't guess it really matters. There I am, Mr. Big Chris. Subscribe. You know, if you want to.